Today, I'm excited to show you a new design I've created using a water-soluble stabilizer. This type of stabilizer is non-woven and dissolves completely in cold to lukewarm water. I recommend against using hot water, as it could cause your project to shrink. Remember to switch your thread to red as shown at the start of the video when you embroider the boots. Your project will really pop with bright and vibrant colors. But don't worry if you forget to switch the thread. We stitched our little chicken, flipped it over, and started cutting the thread with sharp scissors. Be sure to only cut the bobbin thread so that the loops on the right side look just right. I know some embroiderers use a contrasting bobbin thread color to make it easier to see where to cut. I stick to one color on the back to keep it uniform, as it's not always easy to pull out all the bottom threads. Cut, fluff, and check if you missed any spots to fluff before dissolving the project in water. It's easier to trim and adjust while it's still dry, or before it has dried into its new shape. Fringe it up before rinsing out the stabilizer. You might need a bit of patience. The first project can seem daunting, but by your second, third, or fifth, you'll find it much easier and might even find yourself looking for something new to try. We also have designs like flamingos, kittens, and chicks in the store. I'd love to hear what other fringe styles you'd like to see. These chicken designs are 2 inches tall because of their high boots and would look absolutely stunning as earrings, charms, purse accessories, or gifts. They stitch up quite quickly too. Well, cool, I've got even more to share with y'all. At Artapli, we've been in the game for about 20 years now, and trust me, with our experience, snagging something from us is a smart move. We're not just about those basic round designs either. We've got around 6,000 designs in our library, everything from cute little purses to flowers and all sorts of other images, all prepped and ready for you to pick up in the shop. And hey, if you've got some killer ideas of your own, I'm all ears. I'd love to whip up something special just for you. Plus, we've got this lively Facebook group where we all hang out. Come join us. We've got quizzes, real-time chats, and I even throw in some free designs for the community. So don't be shy. Hop in and let's get crafting together. And there we have it. Everything's been trimmed and we're rinsing it now with our mixture in the water. The rinsing process is pretty pleasing to see, almost like your birds come to life. Once we've rinsed everything off, I'll leave it to dry, which takes about 15 minutes, maybe even less. I didn't check. Just a few small threads to trim, if there are any left, and your gift will be ready.